Hello everyone, you're welcome once again to Carl's Music. Yeah, my name is Calvin. My name is Carl for short. Yeah, and today I'll be bringing to you a tutorial on how to play praise or how to play Ghanaian praises. Yes, so I'll do it on two keys, F and C, and I have two variations. I'll do the first variation and the second variation on both keys, right? So before I do that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, just click on the subscribe button. Just click on it. Just click on it. Yes, and make sure you comment, you like, and you share. Thank you very much. So let's jump into it. So first we are on the key of F. So we're gonna use the song right. So my focus here is to help you with how to coordinate your left and your right hand, or how to merge them, right? So that is my focus, and the other focus are the progressions, and the progression, yeah. So my main focus, like how to coordinate them, So this is for beginners. Okay, so let's get into it. So first we are on the key of F. So we're gonna use, for the first variation, we're gonna use three chords. We have chord 1, F major, chord 4, B flat major, chord 5, C major, right? Only these three chords for the first variation. Now let's get into it. So this is how it is for the hand, or for the hand coordination. This is how it is, right? So when you go to 4, 5, 1, you get it. So this is how it goes. It goes up and down, like ba. Then 4, 5, 1, right? Okay, so let's now bring the song and then play along. Okay, so this is how it goes. Right? Right? So let me play it slowly so that you can catch how it goes, like the progression. Okay, so 1, 4, 5, 1. You get it? Again, 1, 4, 5. Right? Last one. Let's continue. Jesus, now to me, right? Oh, come on, 5, 1, 4, right? Jesus, now to me. So like Jesus, now to me. So it's 1, 4, 1. Oh, come on, 1, and then you go to 5. Then you come back to da 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 da. For that part, it has like a different like lyrics, but it's the same melody as hina, right? So Jesus, now to me, oh, come on, 5, 4. Jesus, 4, 1, 5. So this is the first variation. Bear in mind that I said my focus is on the hand coordination. So let your focus be on the hand coordination, and if you don't know the progression, you can also use this opportunity to learn the progression. Now, the second variation, we only include only one chord, which is chord 2, G minor. That is when you are progressing from to 5. Let me say it like that. When you are progressing from maybe 4 to 5, you can add the 2 so that it makes it nicer. Yeah. Okay, so let's add it and see how it goes. So the same hand coordination, hand movement, right? So henna, henna, henna. Now we are going to 5. This is the second variation. So henna, 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 henna. So you see the difference, like henna, henna, henna. Then you add the chord 2, which is a G minor. Then you go to chord 5. Again. Henna, 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 henna. Last one. Henna, 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 henna. Let's continue now. Jesus, so secondly, if you are moving from because you are moving to 5, right? So Jesus, now to me, song. I like the melody. Okay, so now that is for chord F, key F, sorry. Now let's go to key C, for those who are key C lovers. So now we're on key C. So it's the same thing that you are applying to key C. So right, you can play it however you want it. Okay, and also, like, I just want to chip in one thing. Like, also you can use inversions. I mean, you are beginners, maybe you don't know inversions. We will do it in my next videos. So for now, let's do this. So again, on the key C. So now what I played right now was the second variation. So for the C, let's start from the second variation, then we move to the first variation. So again, let's start. Again, Jesus, Jesus, Lord, to me, oh, come on, man, you know, yeah, that's the first progression or variation. Now let's move to the second variation. So the second one is like you just omit the chord 2, right? I mean this is the first variation, but in this case on C is the second variation. Yeah. So let's omit the chord 2, so we have only 1, 4, 5, right? Okay, so let's go 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so that's the end of the tutorial. If you have any question, just write it in the comment section. If you have anything, write it in the comment section. Let me see you in the comment section. So thank you very much. Make sure you like and comment. Bye.